Day 1. I sat at my old desk staring at my laptop. My goal was simple: build a stream of passive income that didn't depend on my job. I opened Etsy and typed planner template. I clicked through and noticed patterns. Many were simple Canva templates. I wrote down the top ones that sold well. By Day 2, I had filled an entire page with trending digital products. On Day 3, I used a free tool called Koala. I searched Canva Planner and saw which keywords had high volume but low competition. I wrote them down. On Day 4, I compared product ideas using Google Trends. I noted the ones with steady growth down. Day 5, I opened Answer the Public and searched for Planner Template. It showed real questions people ask, which told me what people actually needed. I circled 2 clear directions: planning for moms and budgeting for entrepreneurs. Day 6, I studied Etsy prices and reviews. Most digital templates sold between $6 and $15. The average was around $8. I scrolled through reviews to see what buyers cared about. By Day 8, I chose my 2 product ideas: a weekly planner for moms and a startup budget tracker in Notion. Days 9 and 10, I outlined exactly what to make and how I'd design them. Days 11 to 12, I opened Canva and started with a blank page. I began adding boxes for each day of the week, adjusted colors and spacing, and exported it as a PDF. Day 13, I created a monthly planner version. Day 14, I made a business goal tracker. Days 15 to 20, I switched to Notion. I built a digital version of the weekly planner using databases that people could duplicate. On Day 21, I used Canva's mockups tool to place my templates into laptop and tablet screens. By Day 25, I had 3 Canva templates, 2 Notion templates, and their mockups ready to sell. Day 26, I opened Gumroad and created my online store. I uploaded my first product. On Day 27, I uploaded the rest. I also made Google Drive folders to hold extra instructions. Buyers would get those links automatically after purchase. Day 28, I tested the whole system by buying my own product. It delivered instantly. On Day 29, I built a simple 1-page website with card. A single button led to my Gumroad store. By Day 30, everything worked. Day 31, I opened Canva again and made product images that looked clean and clear. I added short text on each, like instant download. Day 33, I started a Trello board to track titles, keywords, and product descriptions. Days 34 to 25, I used ChatGPT to help write better product descriptions with Etsy-style keywords. On Day 36, I used Snipboard to take screenshots showing how each template worked in use. I added those to my listings. Day 41, I opened Pinterest and made a new account for my store. I uploaded pins using my Canva images and linked each one to my Gumroad store. By Day 45, I was posting 2 pins a day. Day 46, I started an Instagram page and posted a carousel. On Day 48, I wrote a short blog post on Medium. It linked to my store. By Day 50, my traffic started to rise. 10 visitors a day became 30. Day 55, I uploaded my first TikTok showing a quick Notion tutorial. It got 800 views in one day. I kept posting short clips every few days. By Day 60, Pinterest Analytics showed 600 monthly views. Day 61, I created a link tree that held all my links: Gumroad, Pinterest, Notion templates, and Instagram. On Day 63, I opened Google Sheets and tracked every product, traffic source, view count, and sale. By Day 65, I noticed the startup budget tracker was performing best. I made a similar one for freelancers and launched it by Day 70. Day 72, I started using Rebrandly to create short, trackable links. Day 75, I built a Notion content calendar to plan ahead. Each week, I'd create 1 new product, post 2 new pins, and write 1 new blog post. By Day 90, I had 5 digital products in total. That week, I woke up to 3 new sales while I was asleep. $24 earned automatically. It wasn't much, but it proved the system worked. Day 92, I bundled 3 of my planners together. Day 95, I ran a small discount and made $68 in one day. Day 97, I tracked my results. 2,000 monthly views, 5 products, $120 earned so far. Day 100, I opened my Notion dashboard and updated everything. My small digital system was alive. In 100 days, I built a self-running setup from nothing. What will you build in the next 100 days?